Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can convert your pic into Cartoonish effect in easy way. First, search on Google, styler.ai. I am signed in, but you have to sign in first. Import your pic from here. Here you can find so many Cartoonish and AI filters. I've chosen this one. As you can see, the results are amazing. Export it from here.